Hi guys, today in this video we will talk about how to renew your Teachable subscription. If you have already subscribed your, you can say if you have already cancelled your subscription, then how you can renew your subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
Log into the school you're enrolled in. Click the user icon located in the top right corner of any page. Now click on Memberships and Subscriptions. To renew, click on the Renew button next to the cancelled payment. After the end of the billing cycle, the renewal button is no longer available. In order to regain access to a cancelled membership or subscription after the end of the billing cycle, you will need to repurchase the membership or subscription. Subscription renewal is not available for subscriptions purchased via PayPal. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily renew your Teachable subscription. And if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.